There are only two ways to create passive income. Hi, my name is Daniel Wood. I'm one of the founders of Momentum Property Education. And so in my years as teaching property, investing, and to create passive income through property, I've noticed that there are a lot of misconceptions around passive income. I mean, what do you think when you hear the term passive income? Do you think, well, that's a scam, it doesn't exist? Or do you think, getting paid without having to do any work? Or is it the key to your financial future? Well, I think the biggest reason why there are a lot of misconceptions is because people don't generally understand how to get the passive income. How does it pop into your life to begin with? And it's not strange. I mean, obviously it's not taught in school. It's nothing we've learned. Most of our parents don't have passive income. So we have no way to learn this. And that's why we create all these beliefs around passive income. But in reality, there are only two ways to get passive income. So first, what is passive income? Well, passive income is money that comes to you whether you work or not. It could, for example, be you own a property, you rent it out, and every month you get rent. That means whether you go to the office or not, you're getting paid. It becomes truly passive when you have a managing agent, a letting agent who's actually running the property for you, meaning they have all the contact with the tenant, they handle the invoicing, and essentially all they do is they pay it out to you into your account. So all you need to do is actually open your bank account and see that's there. That is passive income, okay? Well, how do you get it? Well, if we use the property as an example, there are only two ways to acquire a property. The first is that you buy it. So the one way to get a passive income is to buy it. If you have the money, you can buy a passive income. You can buy a property, you can buy a stock, you can buy a fund, you can buy a cryptocurrency, you can buy an asset, whatever asset you want. That, if you have the money, you can buy it and instantly get that passive income. The second way to get a passive income is to create it, meaning you put in the work to create that passive income. So how does that work? Well, it can be a lot of ways. If you've read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, they talk about what they call OPM, other people's money. We don't use that term, we use other sources of capital. We've identified that there are 25 sources of capital in addition to your own money. So there are, well, actually 25 including. So there's one is your money, 24 others. Those 24 require you to put in some work. It requires you to go out and raise the money. Okay? So there you can, if you don't have the money, if you can't just instantly buy it, you can go and work and earn it by getting other people to invest with you. That would be a way to get a property. Another way to get a property is what we know as no money down deals. Basically, it's about structuring the deal in a way that allows you to take it without having to put in a bunch of money. That could be what's called a rent to rent. You actually don't own it, you just rent it. You could use a technique called the lease option, where you lease it and have the option to buy. You control it, but you don't own it. There are other ways with seller financing and other creative financing ways, and I'm not going to go too deep into it because that's not what this video is about. We have other videos going into advanced strategies in our channel, so please subscribe. I mean, by subscribing to our channel, you'll get all these videos that will teach you kind of the details of how to create passive income. But that is really the essence of it. It's either you get a passive income by buying it, or you get it by creating it. Those are the only two ways of getting yourself passive income. Now, how do you go about getting and creating and buying a passive income? Well, it all starts with knowledge. It all starts with understanding how to get that passive income. So please, I want to ask you a favor here. Comment below and share if you have any passive income, and if you don't, what passive income would you like? Would you like it to be from stocks, from property, or from something completely different? I want you to share. If you have a passive income, share which asset class you have. If you don't, share which asset class you wish you have. All right? Now it's a little cool. It becomes a little poll here, and we'll see what is the most common passive income that's there. So please comment, and then check out the comments. See what other people are saying. We'll have a bit of a discussion there. That will be awesome, because that's what it's about. And if you want to check out our other videos, we teach a lot about property investing, so you have it on our channel. So make sure to subscribe. Every week we're coming out with new videos that will show you how you can create passive income. And I have one final really exciting surprise. For those of you who feel property investing, that is what I want to create. I want to create a passive income from property because it's just long term, it's forever, right? You have that constant passive income. Well, you know what? we've created a free online course that shows you the 3 simple steps to property investing. Click the link in the description below and it'll take you right to where you can register for free and start learning how to invest in property. We'll also teach you the 3 most common mistakes new investors make, and of course, how to avoid them. So thank you so much for joining us here at Momentum Property Education. Hope to see you again in the next video. Again, comment below and let us know, what is your preferred asset class? Do you have one? Do you not? What would you like to invest in? Property, stocks, precious metals, funds, cryptocurrencies, or hard assets, or even mobile assets. It could be a delivery truck or taxi, an Uber, whatever you want to invest in and create a passive income. I'd love to hear it. What do you do? What do you want to do? Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I'll see you soon.